Today we're taking a close look at this beautiful purple amethyst under the microscope. We start at 10 times magnification, and right away I notice something confusing. I can't tell if I'm looking at inclusions inside the stone or scratches on the surface. The only way to find out is to flip the stone. When I turn it upside down, wow, we discover a large fingerprint inclusion. These are very typical in quartz. Fingerprint inclusions are actually fluid inclusions trapped inside the gem during its formation. They create these beautiful swirling patterns that really do look like human fingerprints. Now let's go deeper, all the way up to 200 times magnification. Look at these tiny sparkling dots inside the fingerprint. It's like staring at a galaxy of stars. The way they catch the light is absolutely magical. It feels like we're floating through a purple universe. This is exactly why we study gemology, so we can be constantly mesmerized by the incredible beauty that nature hides inside these stones. When I pull back and turn the stone face up again, something interesting happens. The fingerprints almost disappear, hidden behind a web of scratches on the surface. Now let's examine those scratches. You can see them clearly along the facet junctions. When I switch to reflected light, the scratches light up brightly, while the internal fingerprints completely vanish. This is the proof. The scratches are on the surface, while the fingerprints are safely locked inside the gem. These are the moments that remind us why gemology is so fascinating. Every time you put a gemstone under the microscope, you never know what kind of beauty you're going to discover. On the other side of the stone, we find the same story, both scratches on the surface and beautiful inclusions inside. Here we can see well-formed tiny crystals and liquid inclusions that have developed perfectly in both vertical and horizontal directions. Now let's zoom in on these needle inclusions at very high magnification. Look at how incredibly thin and long they are. At this magnification, you can see every single detail. These needle-like inclusions are actually rutile crystals that grew inside the amethyst during its formation. If you love discovering the hidden beauty inside gemstones, make sure to subscribe to the channel.